realized this morning? I do the exact same thing every single day. Same time, same order, everything.
Really?
Yeah, like I don't even think about it anymore. My body just does it.
Hmm, that's interesting. I wonder if I'm like that too.
You probably are. Most people are, I think.
Maybe. Hey, good morning, by the way.
Good morning. Sorry, I just jumped right in there.
No, it's fine. I like it when you start with something on your mind.
Well, I was making coffee earlier and I thought, wow, I make coffee the same way every day. Same cup, same spoon, same everything.
Yeah, I get that.
So today we're talking about daily habits, the small things we do every day without thinking.
Right, the routines, the patterns.
Exactly.
So, what made you think about this?
Honestly, it was the coffee thing. I was standing in the kitchen and I realized I always use the same mug.
The blue one?
Yes, the blue one. How do you know that?
Because you've told me before. And also, I've seen you at the cafe with it.
Oh, right. Yeah, I bring it sometimes. So you really like that mug.
I do. It feels, I don't know, comfortable.
I think I get it. It's like when something works, you just keep doing it.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite mug?
Not really. I just grab whatever's clean.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not picky about mugs.
That's so different for me.
I know, but I do have other habits.
Like what?
Well, I always put my keys in the same spot when I get home,
Where?
on the small table by the door, every time.
That's smart.
It is, because if I don't do that, I lose them.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I do the same thing with my phone.
Where do you put it?
On the kitchen counter. Always.
See, you have habits too.
I guess we all do.
So, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Good question. Let me think. I wake up and then I check my phone.
Right away?
Pretty much.
Interesting.
Why? What do you do?
I try not to look at my phone right away.
Really?
Yeah, I read somewhere that it's better to wait.
Better how?
Like, for your brain. It helps you wake up slower.
Hmm, I never thought about that.
I mean, I don't always succeed. Sometimes I check it anyway.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's hard not to.
It is, but I try.
So what do you do instead?
I just lie there for a minute. Look at the ceiling.
That's nice.
It is. It feels calm.
I might try that.
You should.
After I check my phone, I get up and make tea.
Every day.
Every day.
Do you ever skip it?
Almost never.
What kind of tea?
Green tea.
Always green tea?
Always.
Wow, you really are consistent.
I guess so. What about you? You said you make coffee.
Yeah, every morning.
Do you ever have tea instead?
Sometimes in the afternoon, but not in the morning. Morning is for coffee.
I see. So you're pretty consistent too.
Yeah, I think most people are once they find something they like.
That's true. Do you have any habits during the day? Like at work or something?
Oh, definitely.
Like what?
Well, I always take a break around 3 p.m.
Every day?
Pretty much.
Why 3?
I don't know. That's just when I start to feel tired.
What do you do during the break?
I walk around a little, maybe get some water. Sometimes I look out the window.
That sounds nice.
It helps me reset.
Yeah, I get that.
Do you take breaks?
Not really.
Not at all.
Well, I do, but not at the same time every day.
So it's not a habit for you.
No, I guess not.
Maybe you should try it.
Maybe. But I feel like I work better if I just keep going.
Really?
Yeah. If I stop, it's hard to start again.
I'm the opposite. If I don't stop, I get too tired.
That makes sense. Everyone's different.
Exactly.
I do have one habit at work, though.
What's that?
I always eat lunch at my desk.
Always?
Yeah.
That's kind of sad.
Why?
Because you should take a real break. Go outside, sit somewhere else.
I know. But I don't have time.
You always have time. You just don't make time.
Okay, you're right.
You should try it. Even just 10 minutes outside.
Maybe I will.
Good.
What about evenings? Do you have any habits then?
Let me think. I usually get home around 6.
And then?
I change my clothes right away.
Into what?
Comfortable clothes, like sweatpants or something.
Yeah, I do that too.
Do you?
Of course. First thing.
It feels so good, right?
It does. Like the day is officially over.
Exactly.
After I change, I make dinner.
Every night?
Most nights.
Do you cook or
Usually I cook something simple, nothing fancy.
like what?
Pasta, rice, vegetables, that kind of thing.
That sounds good.
It's easy. What about you?
I don't cook much.
What do you do then?
I usually order something.
Every night?
Not every night, but often.
That's expensive though,
I know.
and not as healthy.
I know that too.
So why don't you cook?
I don't know. I guess I'm just lazy.
Honestly, same. I mean, I cook, but I don't love it.
Right.
But it's faster than waiting for delivery.
That's true.
And cheaper.
Okay, you're convincing me.
Good.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes.
What do you watch?
Just whatever's on, or something I've seen before.
You rewatch shows?
Yeah, it's comforting.
I don't really do that.
Why not?
I like new things.
But don't you ever want something familiar?
Not really.
Interesting.
What shows do you rewatch?
Comedies mostly. Things that make me laugh.
That makes sense.
So what about you? Do you watch anything?
Yeah, but I watch in bed.
On your phone?
No, on my laptop.
Before you sleep?
Yeah,
Doesn't that keep you awake?
sometimes.
You should stop doing that.
I know, but it's a habit now.
A bad habit.
Yeah, probably.
Do you fall asleep with it on?
Sometimes.
Daniel,
What?
that's terrible for you.
I know.
You need to stop.
I'll try.
You should read instead.
Maybe.
Or just turn everything off.
That sounds boring.
It's not boring, it's peaceful.
Okay. I'll think about it.
Do you have a bedtime?
Like a specific time?
Yeah.
Not really.
You just go to bed whenever?
Pretty much.
That's so different from me.
You have a bedtime?
Kind of. I try to go to bed around 10:30.
Every night?
Most nights.
Why 10:30?
Because I need 8 hours of sleep, and I wake up at 6:30.
You wake up at 6:30?
Yeah.
That's early.
Not really.
I wake up at 7:30.
So you go to bed later than me.
Yeah, usually around 11:30 or midnight.
And you still get enough sleep?
Most of the time.
I couldn't do that. I need my 8 hours.
I'm okay with 7.
Really?
Yeah,
I would be so tired.
I'm used to it.
Hmm.
Do you ever stay up late?
Sometimes, but then I feel terrible the next day.
Yeah, that happens to me too.
So why do you do it?
I don't know. I just get distracted.
By what?
My laptop, my phone, whatever.
You need better habits.
I know.
Seriously.
I'll work on it.
Do you think habits are hard to change?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, me too.
I've tried to change some of mine.
Like what?
Well, I wanted to exercise more
Did you?
for a while.
And then?
I stopped.
Why?
I don't know. I just lost motivation.
That happens.
It does.
I tried to start running last year.
Really?
Yeah,
How long did you do it?
like 2 weeks.
That's it?
Yeah.
What happened?
It was cold, and I didn't like waking up early.
So you just stopped?
Yeah,
You could run in the afternoon.
I could, but I didn't.
Why not?
I don't know. I guess I just didn't want to.
That's honest.
Yeah,
I think it's hard to start new habits if you don't really want them.
that's true.
Like, you have to actually care.
Right.
Otherwise, it just feels like work.
Exactly.
So maybe we should only try to change habits we really care about.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
But how do you know which ones matter?
good question.
I mean, I know I should exercise.
But you don't want to.
Not really.
So maybe that's not the right habit for you right now.
Maybe.
Maybe you should focus on something else.
Like what?
I don't know, something that feels easier, like drinking more water.
That's easier?
Yeah, you just drink water.
Okay, true.
Or going to bed earlier.
That's harder.
Why?
Because I like staying up.
Even if you're tired the next day?
Yeah,
That doesn't make sense.
I know, but that's how I feel.
Honestly, same. I like staying up too.
Really?
Yeah, even though I said I go to bed at 10:30.
So you don't always?
No, sometimes I stay up until 11 or later.
What do you do?
Just scroll on my phone.
Same.
It's a terrible habit,
It is.
but it's hard to stop.
Yeah.
Do you think our habits define us?
That's deep.
I'm serious.
I don't know. Maybe.
Like, if you do something every day, it becomes part of who you are.
I guess so.
So if I drink coffee every morning, I'm a coffee person.
Right.
And if you check your phone first thing, you're a phone person.
Okay, I don't like that.
Why not?
Because it sounds bad.
But it's true.
Maybe.
I think habits are important.
Yeah, me too.
They shape our days.
And our days shape our lives.
Exactly.
So if we want to change our lives, we have to change our habits.
Right?
But that's hard.
It is.
So what do we do?
I don't know, maybe start small.
Like what?
Like one thing.
Just one?
Yeah,
That seems doable.
it does.
What would you change?
Maybe I'd try to read more before bed.
Instead of scrolling?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
What about you?
Maybe I'd try to cook more.
Instead of ordering food?
Yeah,
I think that's a great idea.
thanks.
You should start tonight.
Maybe I will.
You know, this was a good conversation.
Yeah, I think so too.
We talked about a lot.
We did. Morning routines, evening habits, sleep, food.
And how hard it is to change.
Right.
I think the biggest thing is that everyone's different.
Yeah. What works for you doesn't work for me.
Exactly.
But we all have habits,
We do, even if we don't notice them.
and they affect us more than we think.
They really do.
So maybe it's worth paying attention,
I think so.
not to judge ourselves.
Right. Just to understand.
Yeah,
And maybe change one or two things if we want.
if we really want,
Exactly. Not because we should.
but because we care.
Right.
I feel like that's the key.
Me too.
Well, I think that's a good place to stop.
Yeah. Thanks for talking with me about this.
Of course, it was fun.
It was.
And now I'm thinking about all my habits.
Me too.
What about you? What are your daily habits? Do you have a morning routine or an evening one?
Think about it.
And maybe think about what you want to change.
Or what you want to keep.
Yeah, both are important.
They are.
All right. Thanks for listening.
We'll talk to you next time.
Take care.
Bye.